Hello friends, welcome to another ETPC unboxing. Today we're checking out the Fifine K-667 plug-in microphone for a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Okay, so what we're going to do is just open this up, see what we got here. As you guys know, if you've watched my channel at all in my reviews, I actually use these microphones for my channel. So right now I currently have one in the helmet, so this might be a gift for somebody. I'm gonna open this up here. So these are always nicely packaged. We have on top is the instructions. A little contact card if you need to. Okay, let's take the top off here. Inside we have a little bag. With the cord here. So in the cord, all right, so that's all we got there. So you can see it's nicely wrapped, good packaging, nice foam and everything. It's well done. Okay, so it comes with the foam topping for the microphone. Outer cover, I mean, not a topping. This isn't a cake we're dealing with here. And there is the main deal right there, the microphone itself. It's made out of metal and feels like durable, either really thick plastic or another metal. So I mean, it's got some good weight to it. It's well constructed. Okay, we have the little attachment part here, and this comes with a little tripod. Oh. And that's what you get. So I'm gonna do this is just the unboxing. Obviously, if you guys stick around, I'm gonna do a setup and review with this. But that's what you get with this microphone set from Fifine. So we'll see you guys during the review and demonstration.